Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and cancel your Spotify subscription. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and it's without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and start our video. For that matter, what you would do first of all is go to your browser and type in open.spotify.com, or you can access your Spotify app as well. And once you have done so, you can find this kind of interface here in your home page, right? So what you're going to do afterward is tap on this option called tap on the setting icon on top right corner. Now tap on this view account option. This will simply give you your accounts information, and if you tap on this three horizontal line, you will find this option called premium, right? So if you tap on this premium option here, you can find for you to get the premium plan of your account, right? You can see the individual, get started, you can see duo, family. These are the plans available. So let's say if you have got yourself a particular plan from over here, once you come over here, you will see that plan that you have picked. Then you can scroll down, tap on this cancel plan or change plan option. Make sure that you have used your plan till the date you have paid for it. Once you have done so, you will be able to either change the plan by tapping on the change menu, or you can simply tap on this cancel subscription and you will be able to enter the reason for it, and you can cancel a subscription like that. So this will be it, guys. Or otherwise going to this manage your plan section where you will find all of the plans that you have taken. And for me, I just have Spotify free plan given over here. So this is it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.